Are you staring at your beautiful belly bump thinking, breast, bottle, or both? And what if I change my mind? You are not alone. In the next few minutes, I'll help you choose the best plan for your newborn and show you exactly what to do so your baby eats well and you feel more at ease. Here's a quick win before anything else. In the first 24 hours, aim for 8 to 12 feedings and use the 5 cues to start. Rooting, hands to mouth, tongue out, lip smacking, and baby in a quiet, alert stage. Don't wait for full-on crying. That's late hunger and makes latching harder. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse and your expert postpartum coach. I help new, career-driven moms feed with confidence, heal well, and feel sane during the 4th trimester. Today, I'll walk you through 3 paths: exclusive breastfeeding, exclusive bottle feeding, and a thoughtful mix of both, plus a simple plan for week 1, and when to call your pediatrician. If you want a robust plan for week 1 postpartum, check out my free resource hub for career moms. It has all the planners and checklists that a first-time career mom like you needs. It's free and waiting for you, so grab it. Link is below. How to choose your feeding path. Let's clarify your goals, body, and schedule. If your top priority is building your own milk supply and you enjoy skin-to-skin time, exclusive breastfeeding may be the best option. If you need predictable ounces, shared night shifts, or you're returning to work very soon, exclusive bottle feeding might be kinder to your brain. If you want flexibility without losing milk supply, combo feeding can work beautifully with a little structure. None of these things is cheating. Listen carefully, mama. The right choice is the one that you can sustain without burning out. Think of feeding like shoes. The best pair is the one you'll actually wear. Exclusive breastfeeding. Make it comfortable and effective. In the first 48 to 72 hours, colostrum is small but powerful. Aim for 8 to 12 latches per 24 hours. At least 10 to 15 minutes of active suck on the first side before offering the second. Watch the baby swallow. Tiny pause in the chin, more than the clock. A deep latch should feel like pressure, not pinching. If you see lipstick-shaped nipples after feeds, that's a shallow latch. Try adjusting the baby's position so that the belly is to belly, the nose is to the nipple, and bring the baby to you. Track diapers. Day 1 to 2, at least 1 to 2 wets. By day 4 to 5, 6+ wets and 3 to 4+ yellow stools show it's working. If pain stays higher than the 3 out of 10 beyond the first minute, or your nipples look cracked and bleeding, get help early. Minor tweaks prevent big problems. Your friendly lactation consultants are always available to lend a helping hand. If your partner asks how they can help, ask them for some snacks, water, and burp cloth. You're the milk bar and they are the concierge. So, are you this mom? Please comment below and let me know what motivates you to stick to it, and share some valuable insights about exclusive breastfeeding. Type in the comments. Exclusive bottle feeding. Safe, calm, and responsive. Bottle feeding can be breast milk or formula. Your goal is to maintain responsive pacing, not rush to finish. Hold your baby semi-upright, keep the bottle more horizontal, and let the baby pause every few sucks. That mimics the natural flow of the breast and helps protect against overfeeding. In week 1, many babies takes 15 to 30 ml or half to an ounce per feed early, gradually increasing to 45 to 60 ml, 1.5 to 2 ounces by days 4 to 7. Follow your pediatrician's guidance and your baby's cues. Choose a slow flow nipple and look for steady swallows without coughing or chin dripping. If the baby is gassy or tense, try frequent burp breaks and a smaller nipple size. Formula preparation. Use room temperature, safe water as advised by your baby's doctor. Follow the scoop to water ratio exactly, and don't save partial bottles beyond the recommended times. Night shift. Set up a station with pre-measured powder or pump milk, clean bottles, and a dim light. The goal is calm, not chaos. Combo feeding. How to protect supply and your sanity. Combo feeding works when you protect your milk signals. Milk supply is built by frequent removal. If you replace a breastfeeding session with a bottle, add a pump session around the same time for 15 to 20 minutes to tell your body, keep making milk. A simple start is daytime at the breast for skin to skin and bonding, and one bottle overnight so a partner can help. If you want 2 bottles a day, choose predictable windows. For example, the late evening feed and the first morning feed, and pump during one of those times. This gives you the flexibility without slowly sliding into an accidental wean. There's a common worry. Will an early bottle ruin breastfeeding? Not if the latch is comfortable and you're still removing milk 8 to 12 times in 24 hours combined between baby and the pump. Use the paste bottle technique so the baby still works for the flow. Before we continue, make sure to check out the free resource hub for career moms. Grab it below. Week 1 game plan plus red flags. Here's a simple plan that works across all 3 paths. Feed on early cues and expect 8 to 12 feeds in 24 hours. Keep a light log of start time, type breast or bottle, amount or active minutes, and diapers. Only for the first week to learn your baby's rhythm. Do skin to skin for 20 to 40 minutes a few times a day. It calms the baby and boosts feeding hormones. If you're pumping, aim for 8 sessions in 24 hours during the first few days if you're not breastfeeding. If you're combo feeding, match the pump to the bottle you use so your supply stays steady. Call your pediatrician or lactation support if the baby has fewer than 6 wets by day 5, dark stools past day 4, sleepy and hard to wake for feeds, less swallowing than yesterday, or if you have significant nipple pain, fever, or engorgement that won't ease after feeding or pumping. Fast help now prevents bigger issues later. And if it feels hard, it's not a fail. It's a feedback. Tiny adjustment changes everything. Breast, bottle, or both, you're not picking a team. You're picking what helps your family thrive. If you want the deep dive next, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I will be dropping my exclusive breastfeeding first week latch, positions, and pain fixes very soon. I'll walk you through step by step and show you common latch mistakes with simple fixes. In the meantime, watch this video next. I'll show you exactly what I teach new moms, how to hand express safely, when to use it, and why it's one of the most underrated tools in postpartum recovery. I'm Cherry, and I will see you in the next one.